Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm winter camping with my new diesel heater and my new rooftop tent. It's a little warmer now, but tonight it's going to get down to minus 25 degrees Celsius in the forest. So I'm going to be testing my new rooftop tent and heating it with my diesel heater and seeing how it goes. So now let's get to setting everything up. This time for my diesel heater I came prepared. I've got it full with another 5-liter jerry can of diesel, and I charged my battery up all the way. I also got this extension taped up so it doesn't fall out anymore and turn off on me. Now I should be ready to camp. I got the hose going through. I've got the power station set up, everything plugged in. Now I'm gonna close up this side and then keep this side open. Here's the setup. I got all the insulation zipped up. Now let's go start the heater up.
Start heating.
Where'd the heat levels go? There we go, manual mode. I had to switch it into manual. It was auto, now it's manual. I'll set it way down from 10 to level 2. And you can hear the intensity going down. Okay, now let's do my bedding. So I've brought my pillow, my sleeping bag, and another blanket. So I'll set everything up. So that big surge of power is done now, and heat's coming out is nice. It's going to be really warm in here with this insulation. Look how much more luxurious this is than a ground tent. This is going to be so cozy. And it was so easy to set up. It's not as cold as last time yet, so the heater's actually being really quiet too. Okay, so with everything set up, next task on the list is to make some dinner, and I've got some exciting plans. So today I'm going to be cooking steak. Got my steak. Now before I do anything else, I'm going to season it. Some salt and some black pepper. Now that the pan's nice and hot, put down the steak. And then some rosemary and thyme. Pour some of that butter on there. Meanwhile, into this butter, I'm gonna put this garlic butter powder in here. I just got a piece of white bread. I'm just gonna throw it into all that butter flavor, make some garlic bread. That's pretty perfect if you ask me. Got my garlic bread almost done. Oh, it is so cozy in here. Look at that. Perfect medium. So I'm just chilling here, eating my food, and I just want to show you guys what it looks like in here. So first off, I've got reception up here. Down below when I was in my tent, I didn't have any reception, so that's awesome. Just eating my steak. Got my stuff beside me, my pillow. And then if you look up, got my carbon monoxide detector, pockets, see-through pocket. I can put my phone in here and lay back and watch Netflix or whatever. And I've got my heater coming in through here. I've got this vent open a little bit just so I get some airflow in here. It's really warm in here. This is definitely in a different league from ground tent camping. I'm so cozy, it's warm in here, and it feels like I'm camping in a trailer. Like, it's got that same feeling. The mat is really comfy. Insulated all around. I'm off the ground. Got my steak. I don't even think I'm going to need the sleeping bag tonight. It's so nice. It is going to get down to minus 25 tonight. It's only like minus 15 right now. So it's definitely going to get colder, but I'm not worried at all. It's nice in here. And I don't know how loud it's going to be on camera, but the diesel heater's dead quiet right now. I don't know what it is, but last time it was so much louder. You can barely hear the exhaust, and the ticking is quiet too. Alright, quick update guys. I'm just laying here. I've put my sleeping bag away and my jacket away. It is now above room temperature in here for sure. I'm just laying on top of this blanket, and I'm just going to be using this for the night. I've got this light set up in this clear area. It's a little press light. It's perfect for this tent. So my power station now is at 85%. And it's been running for about maybe since 6:30. So this should last perfectly all night. It's really warm in here. The whole area is probably above room temperature, maybe 23 degrees Celsius, something like that. I'm going to go outside, I'm going to clean the pan, throw everything out properly, and then I'm going to grab another snack and then get ready for sleep. If anyone's curious if a diesel heater will keep you warm in one of these tents, it most definitely will. It even did in my previous video where I tested the heater with a summer tent, and that video will be right here if you guys want to check it out. So this tent is way more insulated, much better insulated. Oh yeah, it's gotten cold out. Easily that minus 20. Everything's covered in frost. Oh, my hand is gonna freeze to this. How am I gonna clean that? You know what I'm gonna do actually? Oh. That was on way too much. I'm gonna let that heat up a little bit just to kind of loosen everything up before I start cleaning it. That should be good. Oh, I'm probably burning that now. Smells good again. There's a life hack. wake up all the bears. Oh, that's so cold. It just stuck to my finger. Oh, all the metal is starting to stick to your hands. It's getting cold out. So I cannot feel my fingers again. It just gets to a point where you're just roughly doing stuff and hoping that your hands are doing the right thing. So, what are my first impressions of the tent? Bunch of space in here. If I were to sleep here with people, I can have, I would say, like genuinely 3 people can sleep in here tight. 2 can sleep in here perfectly comfortable, moving around and stuff. The insulation, if you guys are ordering a tent and you want to camp in like 0°C conditions, kind of like just at freezing temperature, you don't need insulation if you have a diesel heater. You don't. This is keeping me so warm. It's on the 2nd setting and I might turn it down because it's just so hot in here, or keep a window open. And I'm not going to even be using my sleeping bag. It's ridiculous how well it works. I'm really happy with it. And I'm curious on what limits I can push with this thing. My camera died from being outside in the cold for so long, so this is on my phone. But I was just saying I'm gonna go to bed, and I'm gonna let you guys know if anything happens tonight, but if not, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everyone. So it is quite late now. It is 9 in the morning. And I slept perfectly. In here right now, it is 20 degrees, and it was 20 degrees all night. The power station is at 42%. I ran the heater and power station from 7 to 9. So if you do the math on that, that's what, 14 hours. Also, another thing I wanted to mention, for those who hate getting woken up by the sun, especially in the summer camping, because the tent is so bright in the morning, check this out. I've only got lighting from in here. It's like blackout curtains in here. So, let's open it up. Oh, and it's cold out there. So this is what it looks like outside. It's snowing. It's really cold out there. I'm gonna close that back up. So 14 hours of runtime in about -20. I never ran out of diesel. My power station's at 43%, and I've been warm all night. So now I'm gonna eat my breakfast, which is this peanut butter banana sandwich, and then I'm gonna pack up the tent. So I'll see you guys when I start packing up. Alright, so I'm out the tent now. It is cold out here. Quick update for you guys. So we got a tiny bit of snow. And compared to the other night, the diesel heater did a lot better this time. It's only used just under half, maybe. I've got about a quarter left of fuel. I filled it up a bit more than 100%, just to like there, at the pump last time, and it's been doing perfect. Got the tent packed up, the Jeep started up. It's hard to talk with how cold it is, but thank you everyone for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.